Hello, Rian here from RSP. Let's talk about a subject: dreams and expectations, your plans for the future. When last did you sit and reevaluate if you are going to achieve yours? When you cast your mind ahead in time, where do I want to be close to my retirement age? What do I want to live comfortably? Am I going to live comfortably? If you take the rate of inflation in our country, it becomes a scary subject. Guys, my contact details are in all my profiles. If you are looking and casting your mind ahead and you are not seeing the light at the end of this tunnel, you need to start doing something different. Contact me, send me a message, start a conversation. Let me show you how easy it is to actually achieve that. Instead of managing your expectation, change your way of thinking about it and get to that expectation. Instead of saying, no, I'm going to cut out, I would rather go live in a cheaper place or let me sell the boat. You don't have to do that. Contact me.